Welcome all of you in this 58 or 59 tutorial. So let's begin to learn something. So इस tutorial में हम देखेंगे कि boolean operation कैसे किया जाते हैं. So let's begin. Select the plane, go to the sketch. So make some drawing. This is the circle we draw. Exit, extrude this with 20 mm. Okay, so insert a body here, insert body. So here we see body 2. So select this surface and go to the sketch. We add one hexagon here. This, so exit and add it 20 mm. Go to the more and we go to second direction 10 mm. So take preview and okay. This is the our sketch. So see this sketch we made. So see, part body is lower one part here highlighted. See, part body and body 2. So going to the insert boolean operations, add means add a part. So select this part body 2 to the part body, select. So taking preview and these two body are added with each other. See, so here body 2 is going to the part body here. So previously part body is separated. Press Ctrl Z. See, this is body 2 is separated. We inserting the boolean operations. So this is added to the part body. So second command is remove. So select the remove one, means which one is remove. Selected this from part body. Here already part body is coming. Taking preview. So this is subtracting or remove this part to the main part body. So this is a press OK. This is the output of the remove command. So press Ctrl Z. So next command is go to the boolean operation, intersect means these two bodies intersection part, means 10 mm thickness part inside this part body of this hexagon is highlighted. See, intersect this body to the part body by default. So preview. So this intersection part of these two bodies are directly coming out of this. So press OK and this part is coming. This is output of the intersect command. So press Ctrl Z. So next command is boolean operation union trim, means all the part are going to body 2 and with the part body. So taking preview. So overall all the body is union, means all bodies is the single body at this time, because this union operation is we use. So selected body is all body as selected. As we select this body as part body, and body 2 is not separately selected here. See, means part body means overall one part is making with the two part. So this is union command. So I hope this video is useful for you, all Boolean operations. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Thank you.